This video is brought to you by AI Hub. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step process of a typical data science project. We'll also delve into the essential tasks the data scientist performs throughout the project. So whether you're an aspiring data scientist or just curious about the field, this video will guide you through all this. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the problem and defining objectives. Every data science project begins with a clear understanding of the problem at hand. This involves working closely with stakeholders to define the project's objectives, scope, and desired outcomes. The data scientist plays a crucial role in facilitating these discussions and ensuring that everyone is aligned on the project's goals. Step 2. Data collection and exploration. Once the objectives are established, the next step is to gather relevant data. This may involve extracting data from various sources such as databases, APIs, or even scraping data from websites. Data scientists also need to explore and understand the collected data, performing descriptive statistics, preliminary analysis, as well as visualizations to gain insights into its quality and potential. Step 3. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Real-world data is often messy and incomplete, so data cleaning and pre-processing are vital. Data scientists spend a significant amount of time identifying and handling missing values, outliers, and inconsistency in the data. Also performing transformations, normalization, and feature engineering to make the data suitable for the next step, analysis. Step 4. Exploratory data analysis. With the data cleaned and pre-processed, the data scientist conducts an exploratory data analysis. This involves conducting statistical analysis, visualizations, and mining patterns to gain a deeper understanding of the data. Exploratory analysis helps uncover relationships, correlations, and potential insights that guide subsequent modeling steps. Step 5. Model selection and training. Once the data is prepared, the data scientist selects an appropriate modeling technique based on the project's objectives. This may involve using regression, classification, clustering, or other algorithms. The data scientist trains the model using the data, tuning hyperparameters and evaluating its performance to ensure its effectiveness. Step 6. Model evaluation and validation. Evaluating the model's performance is crucial to ensure its accuracy. Data scientists employ various evaluation metrics and techniques such as cross-validation, hypothesis testing, as well as model comparison to assess the model's effectiveness. Validation ensures the model performs well on unseen data and avoids overfitting. Step 7. Deployment and monitoring. Once the model is deemed satisfactory, the data scientist moves on to deploying it in a production environment. This involves integrating the model into existing systems, building APIs, and creating user interfaces. Furthermore, data scientists set up monitoring mechanisms to track the model's performance, ensuring it continues to deliver accurate results over time. Step 8. Communication and visualization of results. Data scientists must effectively communicate their findings and insights to stakeholders, which often involves creating visualizations and reports. They present their results in a clear and concise manner, allowing decision makers to understand and act upon the data-driven recommendations. Step 9. Iteration and improvement. Iteration and improvement are essential to refine models, incorporate new data, and adapt to changing requirements. Data scientists continuously seek feedback, analyze performance, and update their models to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Conclusion. And that concludes our walkthrough of the typical steps involved in the data science project. As you can see, data scientists play a multifaceted role, from problem definition to model deployment and beyond. Remember, the field of data science is vast and ever-evolving, but mastering these fundamental steps will provide a solid foundation for your data science journey. Until next time, happy data science! AI Hub. Creating tomorrow's AI today.